Unlock the secret to crushing inflammation. Did you know that one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods in the entire world isn't what most people expect? Many would guess omega-3 fatty acids or fish oil, but surprisingly, they aren't even close. Here's the thing. Our modern lifestyles are full of foods that wreak havoc on our bodies. Think gluten, refined sugars, seed oils, alcohol, junk food, you name it. And while all these contribute to inflammation, the root cause of many inflammatory conditions, like autoimmune disorders and arthritis, often begins in one key place: the gut. Your gut is like the command center of your health. When it's damaged, no amount of fish oil will fix the problem. The real solution lies in healing your gut, and that starts with what you eat. So what's the #1 food for gut healing? It's packed with glutamine, a compound known for its incredible ability to repair and restore the gut lining. And this food might surprise you. It's red meat. Yes, beef. This powerhouse food is a true healer for your gut and can be a game changer for reducing inflammation at its source. Ready to take control of your health and heal from the inside out? Start by making small changes to your diet today. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and let's spread the power of gut health.